Neorest Orthopedic Memory Foam Mattress revives our body and mind for a relaxed and comfortable sleep. The first ever air circulation technology maintains a standardized temperature. Orthopedic Memory Foam Mattress provides the best orthopedic support and helps in spine alignment. The speciality of the mattress is that you will never feel any kind of disturbances with cover made of tensile cooling fabric from eco-friendly eucalyptus fibers. Every time I wake up from the mattress, I always reborn.
Hi, this is Pvt Ltd. As I go for a lot of shoots and do several other physical activities, by the end of the day I get really tired, and sometimes I even have this back pain, spine pain, which is I think very common to everybody today. And I've been using a lot of mattresses all the while, but these mattresses that I've used in the past never really helped me ease from this spine pain especially, and never really took out this tiredness, and I never felt very fresh the next day because of not having a great sleep. But after I started to use Neorest mattress, which is a new orthopedic mattress in the market, there's been a huge change because this is very special. It adjusts to the shape of your body. It's got this air circulation technology which adjusts to your body temperature, and all these are very unique features. And my spine pain and the back issues have really reduced after I started using this mattress. So I think all of you guys should definitely try Neorest, because a good night's sleep is very, very important for an effective and a good day tomorrow. Take care.
I am wishing you all a very happy World Health Day. More work pressure, I also get pain. So I was thinking, why not to purchase mattress for myself and my family. Then I was just doing comparison with all memory foams containing mattresses. So in that I saw that Neorest, and really I went to that micro level comparison with others. This one, Neorest, is the best one. I got surprised with that. At the cheaper rate they are giving the best one, and they have 4 layers in that, and all 4 layers have different features and properties. So all these properties are really helpful for everyone, and I finally went for that. I purchased, I am using it, and my outcome is better than earlier because I am pain free. I can tell people, I can endorse people, go for it. It's a really best one.
Most of us don't give enough time or preference in choosing a pillow as much as a mattress. If you're someone who still uses standard pillows, it's time for you to reevaluate your options. And speaking of multi-use pillows, Ergo Wedge pillows are the best pick. Ergo Wedge pillows are triangle-shaped orthopedic pillows that support elevation of the body at right places and deliver long-lasting support. The main motive of these pillows is to help us rest with ease and comfort and support elevation of some health issues. Ergo Wedge pillows comes in a combination of 2 variants, back pillow and leg pillow. The back pillow is made of PU foam and memory foam that offers superior support to your back, hence maintaining an ideal position while you sit, lay back or lay down. The leg pillow is a combination of rebonded foam and convoluted profile foam, offering ideal elevation and support to your legs and calf muscles. Now let us talk about the unique features of these pillows. The Wedge pillow is an excellent choice for people who have issues of snoring, sleep apnea, sinusitis and acid reflux. It also acts as an additional support for patients of post-operative care and chronic back or neck pain. Watching TV or working on your laptop in a comfortable position has ever been this easy. The Wedge offers complete support to your back, spine as you relax or work, easing the pressure points while reducing any discomfort or pain in the neck, shoulders, back, spine and legs. The pillow also supports pregnant women by providing the right amount of elevation to the body that will ease your breathing, posture and ease swelling and pain. The Wedge pillow comes with an inner fabric made of elastic cotton with a hypoallergenic cotton zip cover, which is practically safe and eco-friendly. Comfort and wellness is always a priority at Neorest Mattress.
Sleep is a very, very important role in deciding how your immediate and distant future is going to shape out to be. And to address this, in order to have good sleep, I mean, it's a no-brainer that you need to sleep on a surface which is comfortable, healthy, good from an ergonomics point of view, and it gives you the desired deep sufficient amount of sleep that one person needs. Hence I feel mattress is one of the backbone elements to a sound sleep, and having a good, steady, sturdy, sound mattress is can be a significant part in letting you achieve more in life. I have been very fortunate enough to have been associated with the team of Neobest for the last couple of years, and I have myself seen the amount of research, technical effort, and brainstorming that has gone in towards creating these products of Neobest. And I can tell you, with their air circulation technology and 4-layered foam mattress and the continuous amount of never-ending research that Neobest indulges in, I think they have come up with fantastic products. It has really seen to improve the quality of life, and hence the quality of life of people. Wish you all a happy World Health Day. Please take care of your health and especially your sleep, so that you can be at your best every single day of your life.